I got an exceptional cool. She had released such nice music. But I figured to this back, I'm gonna say I have. That's my money. Hi, Pumi. That's Busiswa and Root Boys Urongo. Busiswa has literally given us the reason to move. Yazi ukuthi ufeel pressure mangimuva umuntu ochabi. Ay, anyaka ngathi thamba likho. Ah, girl.
She's good, man.
She's good. She's good. And where is she? She's disappeared for a while.
You know, Urongo.
Urongo. Yes.
Urongo. 633657116 wayuthula nina njalo.
Yes guys,
but
again, what we are saying today on the 2nd of June on a Thursday, we are saying to you, Gibeli for drive, and let's hear your input on the topic. We are talking about the biggest age gaps in relationships, or rather, what is your preferred age gap in a relationship? What have you gotten out of that age gap theory, or you know, because I prefer a certain age, what. So let's just get uvola konje still ukwazi ukuthi wena yini ekusebenzelayo ngale age gap or uyayicamela. And again, what's your biggest age gap? Maybe even in society or generally, what is the age gap that you just think is acceptable, you know? Let's hear what you guys have to say on the number 063. That's 6657116. Call us, send voice notes. And again, you can also text. Feel free to let us know who you are and where you're at. Kibalogi 44 Drive. This is the afternoon drive. We are giving you Ivutela. Let's go for V.
Omuyozothi ingubo endala elala ingane. Ukubenza abasebenza hayi ingubo endala elala ingane.
Nangu lo mikolo lo.
Umuthi no man lokho kwakwenzeka even before ku generation edlule where khona bekwazi ukuthi kwenziwe lento kuthiwa uganiselwana. The age was not really matter and all those things, man. But I want to hear from your side ukuthi ngempela what is the right age la khona ungakwazi ukuthi ngempela ukuthi no mina yabona ngiyama. Dr. K online radio 326 with your boy V suke khona umbali doing nothing but the best of radio khona umsakazo nakho sikhondla khondla bathi Dr. K lena. We are gallivanting looking the airwaves like it's the wildest business in China. It's a motorbike, not just a bike. A super bike in China.
We hope that you are driving safe. Please buckle up and make sure that our kids are nice and warm heading home, guys. We love you so much and thank you for being part of Dr. K Online. This is a family that gives you opportunities, that gives you life and gives you hope. Yes, again, we want to remind you, this family says to you, come and advertise with us. Feel free to drop in Ama mixtape on this show, which is the 44 Drive. We give you a chance to just put your music out there and let's hear what the listeners have to say about your music. Bati dump or pump. So are we gonna pump your music on this radio station or we're gonna dump it? This is all up to you, Mvetu. So please send us clear music, and if it's a mixtape, make sure Ugutige you have a profile La Payana and it's if it's a song, it's registered. You're gonna have to please advertise La Payana with on the email, right?
Yes.
I think not advertise per se, but when you're sending in your music, you're gonna have to send email le esokupha yona, and then which is it my music, Dr. K? Help me out.
Music submission.
Music submission. Yes.
Online.co.za.
And then if you want to advertise, you're gonna have to call this number that is gonna really assist you with almost every question, or the process that you have to go through. I'm sorry, to get to the advertising stage, which is 063 509 5980. So and then let's make sure we are safe and we are heading home. Whoever's heading to work, we are saying few minutes smile understand which is the 4-4 drive, taking it easy on you guys. Thank you so much, Mavo, for what's happening that side.
Harmony with Drogo Uti Elevations by Kudo the song. Second from the album Elevations by Kudo the song. From 2021. Everybody was dancing.
Coming back here, we're going to be elaborating on our topic, and we're going to be taking your calls, WhatsApp messages, and so forth. So yes, the biggest age gap in a relationship.
I'll share mine.
Definitely. Hello guys, Sanbonani. Trying to wave to everyone but my nails. After our thingy.
Yeah, very science.
No, the first one I go by Giselle. What I feel like Leon told him lunch.
Yeah, choose the best one.
Mendoza or Giselle Brothers. Ngithembisa uthando.
Yes.
Ngithembisa uthando or Giselle Brothers.
I don't know so.
Yeah.
So plus 40 balance and the chance was
I had to go ban. Host.
It's good.
Hello everyone.
Woo!
Mr. Gomete in the house, my brother. How are you, my boss? Hi everyone. Pumi, Dr. Mbata, your girl Teddy, for in. Samgeli siwe hi. Hi, Miss Polo B. Hi, guys. How you doing? Voice. Hello. Bandi, Melusi, Nkona. My tickets. Hi. Tickets. Hi, Zinhle Xaba. Brenda Bengu, Sanmanani.
So close our topic.
At what time?
9 past now. 9 past.
That doesn't sound good.
I know. I see. Senzani.
We can prolong it.
Yes.
Prolong it and also play a song.
Problem.
Yes, we can just prolong it.
Okay.
Hi guys. Guys, we have a topic in studio. We're actually talking about age gaps in relationships. So what's your biggest age gap? Or what's your preferred age gap? Why does that age gap work for you? So guys, this is the serious topic, rather the nicest topic, the most chilled topic. But this is a serious issue, to others, you know?
Yes.
It's an issue. Omunye nje literally says, if kuguti age gap, lengi cabangayo noma lengi icelayo I pass kulo muntu. Hayi. Azigubhe ziyetsheni azigubhe kahle you know. So we are really curious ukuthi what has been your biggest age gap, or rather what is that age gap that works for you, and why do you feel that age gap makes such sense, Gwen? We know that relationships really don't go the way that we planned. They never go the way that we plan at times. So let's get to know you and your story. What's the age gap thing? What's happening?
Do you think that age gap it's just the way
is it something that was just created by society? Because you know how it is. Sometimes siyaphila nje ngoba bathini bazothini. But what works for you? What has been your preferred age gap? Do you even focus on this age thing, you know? Because we even go to an extent of even hiding our age because of this gap. Exactly. Age, you know. So give us a call, guys. Give us a shout. Send a voice note. Send a message on the number 063 665 7116. It's in Linda, but now we're also gonna play you good music, and then let's cruise. Let's go that way and this way because their bus is a 4-4 drive and Alquali. So Galagata.
Age is just a number. Age is just a number, my brother.
And once they are in the relationship with that person, but that's no, you just said age is a number, so why are you bringing this age thing whenever we argue or whenever you seem to have problems, you know?
But one thing for sure, a younger sister is look like is older than you. Mangabe we out, understand? And mangasuk to utolumuntu over same age, in a near 20 years or so. That's why it's like you're late.
So what really works for you? What's this age gap that works for you?
Really, as utolumuntu
abanye basibahlukana age ngayazi.
Yes,
basibahluka not even bayasaba vi, but abanye basibahlukana ungene kwi relationship full blown, but in the way age nje.
Yes, even ngishabazali.
Because kumnandi kunjeya.
Ayikahle bovu intanga yethu phela lo.
Yes, osisibakho basebayisa basedlulugela uthi hayibo manje umenze njani lona vi ngoba untanga yethu.
Kahle intanga yethu phela lo. No, share with us, man. You wanna hear?
Nikhetha kanjani bafethu nikhetha nge-age nikhetha kanjani, like which age gap works for you? I mean, we want to know because they're too worried about what people say or how people view them and whatnot. But again, people say age is just a number. Let's hear what you have to say. Call in 063 665 7116.
When Lelo was born by DJ Clock, share with us, man. Umculo siyawusheba nenzaba. Sheba inzaba lomculo.
Sheba na beans. Oh, this is the nicest song.
Too much. kahle imali zabantu.
Yeah. Hello guys. Age ain't nothing but a number. Yes, sis. Yes. Mamkambi. Hello. Auditions.
Every day gonna answer abantu la. Listen to a radio baba. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Yoza masafika lelo thuba lelo.
Hello. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, Mama. Hi, Asanda. Hello. Ngikhona ona. I've been around. Hi, guys. So guys, please share on your WhatsApp statuses on Facebook that it's going down every Mondays to Fridays 3 to 6 p.m. on Dr. K Online Radio. You are with Uvi and Umbali on the 44 Drive. That's our show every day. So yes, please write on your statuses and please encourage your friends to also be part of this family. Thank you so much for just cooperating and being with us. The link is www.drkonline.co.za. Dr. K uhlangene, it's DRKAY online. Makanyile, darling. Hi, Snow. So guys, please share on your statuses on Facebook and on WhatsApp so that your friends come join us on our show. And also please do contribute in this topic. In fact, right now in studio we're talking about age gaps in relationships. What's your preferred age gap? Does this age gap thing work for you? If you say you have a set age gap, does it work for you? Jay, what has been your experience, about this relationship thing and age gaps? No manje unisandela abadala nje compromise, so yes, the number to call or send your voice note to Giona, guys, is 063 665 7116.
I think that is a shade there.
Okay. It's a nice Sunday, V. We have somebody replying here saying, the older the better.
The older the better. She or he knows what to do, what not
for
to
themselves,
do.
The older the better. And then another one says, age is just a number.
Age is just a number.
Just a number.
Sure.
Yes, another. The older the better that they wait to. The older the better.
Hey.
Hi guys, I feel like
Experience.
a lot of people have a lot of things to say when it comes to this age gap thing. You can call in and not even say who you are. You can be anonymous. You can send a WhatsApp. We
Yes.
just want to know what's going on. What's going on? What's going on? La Payana love lives
Usitshele ukuthi
here.
ikhipha.
Yes, because ngempela bethu yazi siyayibona lento and it used to be very taboo to see umuntu on a 35 getting married to maybe a 20-year-old, maybe a 21-year-old or a 20-something-year-old dating, as actually no marriage, dating a 30-something-year-old, you know.
For argument's sake, allow me. Why, especially the indigenous people, laba abakholelwa kakhulu izinto zesintu, bebekanselana most of the time bekuba
and bungamazi ukuthi ungakanani umuntu ugana naye awumazi uhlanganiswa naye you don't know.
Abantu abadala kodwa kade bakha imizi without ama-divorce, without ama-breaks, without all those hurting esekuthiwa uthando lokho emjolweni kuyahethwana. Hey Jesus, mhlawumbe nje nihethana ngoba nake nje niyalingana futhi kuqala nithengela ama-toys nidlale.
Yes, ileyo ukuthi nibanga le age.
Yes.
But yeah, V, that's a nice one. You didn't even have a chance to choose. To choose. I'm actually going to date umuntu or kanjani to start off with. Never mind the age. Age. Yeah. So ngokunye futhi uqhamuka nje vele usinentshe emhlophe usobaba usekhethile.
Uqhamuka negoli.
Uqhamuka nje uyayibona. Uyayibona kosabuthi impunga phela lena kodwa nje thiwa ngoba usukhethiwe.
Lento babeyibiza ngokuthwala kuthiwe
ukuthwalana. Yes.
Most of the time.
I think that's another topic that we need to get in maybe in a few days because it's another sensitive one. Let's keep it for another day. That one, very sensitive. I almost cried when I heard such. But yeah, this age thing is very, very interesting. It's very interesting because omunye uzothi nje mina lokho kwathi inhlo hayi anti abadala bengithanda. And I've gotten used to it, you know.
Yes, and futhi kuzo ama-sister athi abafana abancane bengihlupha.
Yes. Usuluthi uyambona futhi uvuthiwe lo sis, uvuthiwe.
Washawa into yakho uma uthi yabona intwana nayi. I'm not stressed, especially what's the age is just a number.
It's just a number. And some of them, they said they just prefer them older. Older. But what is that older? Lo older, lo usho numbers, estimation. No, it's not even about numbers, but it's just older. Generally older.
Kwa akufunebe sinishiyana nga-age ukuthi nawe usungamzala.
It happens. It happens. People date. I'm not even going to go deep into marriage and settling, but people date. Firstborn yakhe, in fact, or even a few years younger than your firstborn.
You know,
that's why I'm just interested in, you know.
You know, ngeke nikwenzeke uthola ukuthi esebenza kakhulu. Esebenza kakhulu. Wena nje usuphethe kuba kwekhaya
ubaba nje ngegama
suyikhehlela ekhaya.
Eish guys, yeah.
Asas, but it's good to share with us story. I'm sure it's lapho ulalelo I should say yeah, you can be anonymous and share with us your experience story usitshela ukuthi but masingashiyana ngo 10 years ucathi khona inkinga. I don't think ikhona inkinga masingashiyana ngo 10 years because u10 years mhlawumbe umuntu uzothi u10 years is big. Sizimlalele ukuthi uthi njengamanje emsakazweni. Sho mpela. God. Skoko. Jam.
Oh.
Kabiam.
Oh.
Kabiam.
Guys, that's I mean, okay, I applaud you. That is, you know, you were brave. And V, that's a 17 years gap. Lomfana is 26, guys, and dating a 43-year-old. And literally, nami ngingakhala oshutuma wami nje. Angamgena mfethu. Guys, no, everything happens, you know.
Yes.
And we're not here to judge. But again, that's that line.
Yes.
That line powerful.
Most of the time abantu abacomplainayo abantu abasingle, you know?
Abasad and lonely.
Abantu abasingle.
And for them complaining, they have a lot of negative things to say about other people's relationships and age gaps.
Yabo nje abathi, "Hey mina ngeke ngidlala indoda." Basingile. Sometimes you must allow ukudlala upartner wakho mara. Hawu, hayi mina ngeke ngidlala umfana nje.
Yes.
Hawu.
Oh wow.
Kanti unjani ulokhuzwa ngentombazana.
But uyazi umlaleli wethu understand ukuthi una intombi. That's, I think, hearing the story kancane, I think the girlfriend is around his age or something. What has drawn you or esidale ukuthi ugcine ukutrephekile kulo mama 43?
Kawubhora moreka. Kawubhora. You know, uma ngase ufake ophapi ababili kwi-cage elilodwa. And you know what they're going to do? They're going to play to the fullest.
Oh, to the cartel.
Bachitha amanzi la okufune baphuze, bachitha amakheke yonke into. Manje ungafaka uphapho xaxa nomncane uzobuya
leyo discipline. Okay.
Kahle, you know?
Ucindezela. Hi guys, siyaniza.
Let's go straight to commercial outbreak. Siqhubeka nohlelo ngeke sivalele because ngiyabona abantu balokho bezile okay still share with us because ngiyabona abanye basacabanga hey ngikhuluma nabantu bayakhuluma.
Hello guys. Wow, 43. I mean, ngiyathusa but I feel like futhi kunalokho mangabe kuumuntu wesilisa omncane kuba naleyo.
Ngiyathusa.
Yeah, no, but into ezenzakalayo. Into ezenzakalayo.
Oje umshethu uqhubha isibili uthatha besithi uyamuza ngisho khuluma. Kade lalelo uyacabanga.
This is the afternoon drive. Drive time. Oh yeah.
Kuduka nathi.
Lena i-afternoon drive.
Le i-DRK online.
Shayelo khuzana manje. Khuzana back forward. Bese ke sifaka the feature le.
Hi, Pele.
Wow man.
Thursday. Uring. Bayashaka phayana bathi the older the better to our topic as we were talking about the biggest age gaps that couples find themselves in, or maybe the age gap that you prefer. What's your experience with this whole age gap in relationships? Why does it work for you? That certain age gap. Do you have an age gap set? Why? You know? So yeah, sebephendulile nje baningi abantu enomlelelo wethu simzela phayana esho ukuthi yena he's in a 17 years age gap relationship and umama una 34 yena una 26. So guys, ni brave. We're not here to judge. Ukhanyo lana ntuli uthi all I can say is love conquers all.
I like it man. Uthando liyagcwalisa mawushoda ngo17 years uthando lifike ligcwalisa.
And akubalekile ukuthi ube happy.
Yes.
Akubalekile. And then I can say guys, yazini kukho konke I feel like this whole age thing really leaves us questioning ukuthi uthando zolibalekela just because uthi umncane mudala. I feel like I have to say this and I want to say this. Yazi I've attracted like a percentage of older, guys. Not old, but I remember when I was in high school, my first boyfriend was in like matricish. I was in grade 8ish or something. So in pattern, I kind of do attract abantu abakhulile kunami. And then again, my second boyfriend was driving the GTI. At that time, I was in my youngest age, honestly.
Okay.
Maybe I was 17, if not, So, guys, honestly, we do date, we do, go out there and explore emhlabeni. But when we come back to reality, siyabona ukuthi ayikhona lento age, doesn't make sense. And wesince isikhathi uzocabanga ukuthi umuntu omdala uzokulimaza. Kanti no, uzokukhulisa nje futhi akuphathe kahle, and then lo omncane nilebeni kwebhana because usenqabashiya. That's all I've had a problem with when it comes to ukuthandana nontanga, because mentally I've always been ahead. So bengihlezi ngistrugglisha mangimele ngibambane nontanga cause ngizokuvalela khoneni nje cause mentally nje ngile kude. So yes, I don't know, I've always been attracting men who are just matured and quite older than me, and I've never seen a problem with that. In fact, I've had successful long-term relationships. I've been in long-term relationships.
Uyakhala vansing baba, I'm sure ukuthi nawe khona ukutholile namhlanje emsakazweni wakho Dr. K online radio 10 to 5 to 10 minutes before 5 ishumi imzuzu ngaphambi kokuba kubumbane ihora lesihlanu. So sisi, let's do it in the Zulu way. Ishumi imzuzu ngaphambi kokuba kubumbane ihora lesihlanu lintambama ilanga njengamanje. Sibonga kakhulu kuba abathe ba participate from the topic up until now, and I'm sure ukuthi nongaphawulanga kukhona kufundile, because I think it's a very good topic, and a topic of the sekhuluma go straight to our last hour. So base sibheke ku 6 o'clock sesigoduka sibheke emakhaya. But before we do that, ngidefishe ngithandayo la. I like games. I like somebody who like to play games, understand? Yazi nalento gap yasiza ukuthi ufundise umuntu wakhe ama games amasha bese nasifundisa akudala olotho le.
Oh Lord.
Sine feature la Slaughterhouse.
Yes.
Your feature. Hayibo kuleso to sefa ba feature masha. Seyishayela nje.
Seyishayela.
Sazenzela mfana. Call it Slaughterhouse.
We are on a slate.
Hamba nje. Kodwa 120 ungeqe lapho.
Yeah.
This Slaughterhouse so dlala ingoma ezu2. Eyodwa eyakho eyodwa yami. And then
people have to figure out
which one is the best.
Yes, which one is the best and who picked that song.
Yes, and futhi nanokuthi usitshela ukuthi le ngoma ikhumbuza kuphi wawukephi ngalezo insuku. You can share with us this. Maybe nje uqala ukuqoma oyakho uqala usasabuka ibuka emehlweni usabhala phansi ngobhoza mase ufuna ukuyitshela ianswer usahlehlisa insuku ayenza ukutshela kusasa ukutshela ngolesihlanu kube kusamsomluko. A lot have been happening during our struggle to become oldest, the eldest. Yeah, man. So kala ngeke ba. No,
you can't say just play a song and then angithabalalele bazosho ukuthi this ngihamba nale, and I suspect ukuthi noma I think le yambali noma yavi.
Ayizakhala.
Yes.
Ake ngicishe yonke ama sound lawo. Kuthula. For what? 3 2 1.
That's all.
Cheers, all brothers. But ngikuthembisa if you love this jam, make sure ukuthi ayiluze ngoba Slaughterhouse listen.
Let's take it slow. Write down that tonight course.
Yeah.
Dude, it's coming. Like
yeah. Call it Slaughterhouse. The feature Slaughterhouse. Straight. Yeah.
Hi guys. Please also do give us a feedback on our show. We appreciate criticism and we also appreciate your applaud. If we are doing well, maybe also give us topics that you want us to talk about or touch on. Feel free, guys. This is your radio. Dr. K Online is here to serve you, and me and V are just here for you guys on the Fofo Drive. but angifuna ungasho kumnandi ukuhlala nani bafethu. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Work. Ha, mahluhle ngiyabonga. Thank you. Alungiswe kahle. Candela. Ogungashaba. Ngithembisa uthando mina. Noma bethalukho. Ngithembisa uphatha kahle. Noma bethisintake. Come, let's make it work. Let's take it slow. Let's make it work. Let's take it slow. And as the funny part, let's see enjoy corner. Isikati. Simpringa. Aloko besukela khona sothi siyayidonsa. Awukho ibo khona le tukala le mess.
Hawu manje
I think futhi we had iy'nsuku eziwu-3 noma eziwu-2 zilandelana zinjalo futhi mina khaze inkinga no Monday.
I know sister no Monday.
Hayi kodwa isikhathi siyashesha uma ngabe ungekho right.
Samba manje.
Ayibo manje siyapita when everything is flowing.
Uma ngane piano noma imixtape izolingana namhlanje. Tibek khona
Ngithembisa kahle. Noma bethisinta. Come, let's work. Let's take it slow. Work. Take it slow. Have you queued your song? Lezo senzo phela. Usulishilo vele, badlalele.
Odlalele.
Akisulishilo.
This is the afternoon drive.
Drive time. Oh yeah. Kodwa nathi.
Lena i-afternoon drive.
Le i-DRK online.
Sayikhatha manje. Yeah. Hayi classic vibes ngempela ahlukene kamnandi.
Kakhulu.
Way to tune. Lotha house. Hamba nayiphi eyazi bese ama voice over. Funa benze studio kusula ekhaya sizenzele.
Hey. Hello. Hello, you without a name. Hello, you. Yeah, Bobist. So yes, guys, we just played 2 songs. Hi, friend. We just played 2 songs here in studio, so it's up to you guys to decide which one wins for the day, and just guess ukuthi ikhethwe ubani. You can call or send us a WhatsApp message on 063 6657 116. If you missed the first one, it was Giselle Brothers, Ngithembisa Uthando. Being at work, I wish I didn't work, you know. I mean, again, not using fisungasebenzi, but bengifise ngabe kona umsebenzi wokukhuluma because yakhatsana. I mean, I know ngiyapepereza nje in general, just, you know, socializing, but talking 3 hours straight can be very tiring, guys, honestly, and trying to make sure that you guys are happy futhi at the same time. Friends, mbulazi mnganami mbulazi. Dun, 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 dun. I think my energy says something else because generally, I mean, I'm a talkative person. I'm just a talkative person. Though I have my days, Shem, where I want to just keep to myself and not say anything. But if you enjoy the show, that's what we want. That's what I want. You guys to enjoy the show, to enjoy my vibe, to enjoy my energy and V's energy, because I'm not alone in the studio. I'm with V. So, yes. What am I doing?
Somewhere. Sound of black hole, 10,000 seconds.
Yes, 10,000. But
1,000 seconds.
Oksala, it's the seconds.
Seconds.
It's the seconds.
Yes,
we just gave you nice music. We gave you 2 songs, La Payana. So here's the drill. We want you to give us your take.
Yes.
Which one wins?
Song number 1, which is it?
Giselle Brothers. If you missed, it was Giselle Brothers, Ngithembisa Uthando. And then please let us know ukuthi wena mosola wena sola ukuthi lengo mikhetho ubani, and between mina no V, and iliphi ke ohamba nalo, which one takes it for the day. This is the Slaughterhouse. This is where siqobana blind. No music nje, hayi asilwe ke into eningi, cha.
It's either no song number 1
or song number 2, and also giving us ukuthi when ucabanga ukuthi likhetho ubani.
It's either no song number 2. It's up to you. Ukuthi yiphi ngomamba na, but thina sithi Slaughterhouse. Kufuneka kube khona osala. Simsla.
Sifuna means
yes.
khona lapho kungasali nje ku clean futhi sicela nje kucace ukuthi hayi bekuliwa
ukuthi ya
bekuliwa futhi bekulwa insizwa nginsizwa nami kwami
kusala utshani phansi kucacile 0636665116. That's the number that you can interact with us. Uyisebenzisa kalula kanjalo. Yeah, msazwe nakho Dr. KHeHleLezi Monday to Friday so sikhona with your boy Ikukaracha. Amsana Nombali. Wow, man, what a wonderful lady.
A wonderful
what we do best, man, you know.
Yes, guys, so khumbula ukuthi lapha yana ke uDr. KHeHleLezi yatholakala in every pharmacy. Nakhona ngasho ukuthi futhi ama products akhe, they are very much helpful. Yatholakala futhi eKZN, atholakala naseJoburg, and usatholakala eCape Town. But we're going to give you numbers for Joburg and KZN. Lapha yana uzomthola uV, not this V.
Not this.
Uzomthola uV on 063 051 7641. Phinde uthola uThandiwe in KZN on 072 123 4976. And then you get cancers lapha in Joburg enambeni 066 0026633. Those are the numbers that you should contact if you want to make an appointment. And uzothola usizo ngokukhulu ukushesha from our consultants. We are here emhlanga sisakaza bukhoma on Dr. K Online. So yes, tell a friend of a friend what it's going down. Mawusalile ebhasini mfethu sinukwazisa ukuthi lalela ke gibela kwi-stop esilandelayo ngoba we keep on coming to every stop, to every location. Sifuna ukunyisa lapha nalapha. If ukuthi nifuna ukuya never siphakathi, that's where we're going to take you guys. Feel free to send your voice notes and WhatsApp. We're waiting on you guys, and we are saying to you, ubani ozosala la on the chopping board, because this is the slaughterhouse. And then our music is definitely for you guys, and from our hearts, enjoy the ride once again. V ukwazisa nje ukuthi ngenzeka ngempela kube ukuthi namhlanje imini ozowina angazi ngayo ngoba khona seshile nje ukuthi hayi
I God.
kodwa seshile ukuthi nje ngihamba nje. Oh okay, if I say this, it's gonna kind of show what's yipe bikhethe mina, so I can't say this line.
No, say it, man. Let them
No,
know.
I can't say this line because contesting now ubona uzwanga now ngithini mayingasho le line sizoqala ukuthi ubani vele okhethe yiphi ingoma, and it's gonna make it easier on our listeners.
Yeah, compromising, chief.
Guys, but yeah, we played two songs. It was Giselle Brothers, ngikuthembisa uthando, and then the second one was
Black Holes. 1,000 seconds.
1,000
I don't know
seconds.
what to tell them. That's up. You know?
You like the big numbers, you.
Big numbers.
Nangu othi nje ngihamba nawe matches. I'm not good. I'm not a good guesser. Kodwa sala ihamba nami. Kodwa she's not a good guesser.
How? I funela. Hey.
That's a girl. But I'm not a good guesser. I try hard.
Corruption.
That's just so tricky. Shooting the point and dandayo nje singalazo lifaka ku song number 1 noma ku song number 2.
Ndicinga ukuba nawo khwapuluzo. Umlaleli uyahwapuluza ngoku. Chini. Help us, man. Bangaze bangilophe.
I mean, if push comes to shove, you know we're gonna have to take 1-1. It's gonna have to be a draw if push comes to shove, because njengoba ngisho le point leli lintanta la phezulu kwamakhanda ethu ngoba nje umlaleli wethu uthi nje I'm not a good guesser but ngihamba no machi. I don't know. Hamba no Mags.
Ubethini ngani?
Ayithi mina manje sibanikezile V ukuthi song number 1 was this and song number 2 was this.
Then the number nayiphi?
Yena uthi akakwazi ukugesa because it's very hard to guess ukuthi ubani okhethe the song.
Uzizonke ziright noma uthi akazi ba okhethile.
Akakwazi ukugesa nje.
Ufuna ingoma nomfuna umuntu.
Asazi.
Okay, guys. This is going to be serious. I can see. 063 57 116. Sifuna babili abathathu abazo sitshela ukuthi iJezel Brothers ngikuthembisa uthando or else labhala Black Hole but 1,000 second. Tell us, man. We want to know ukuthi iJezel Brothers noma Black Hole.
Let's give you a quick reminder of
what
was
was
playing.
Song number 1. Yeah, ngikuthembisa uthando. And this was the song number 2. Share with us, man. Ifomba na ipobaleka nayo. Hey, kufuneka kusala umuntu la. Kumele kusala umuntu la.
Ngoba isinsizwa.
Asaba so days.
Mhlawumbe
khona esizokwazi ukuthi simthola sitshele ukuthi iyiphi ingoma edlala ubi.
No, shophela nani bakini. Ngiyabathethisa.
Uyinboda kanti.
I saw you at Gateway. You're so beautiful. Oh, thank you. Bongiwe. I saw you at Gateway. Okay, somebody else said that. I'll vote. Oh, okay. So ukuthi yiphi ingoma ebidlala obalana. Also, we're sending on WhatsApp anything. You can send on WhatsApp, you can send a voice note, you can send a text. Go 063 665 7116. Let me send it to you guys. But okay, so ukuthi iyiphi ngoma emidlalo ebikhethwe mina noma ebikhethwe uV. And then mhlambe masuyasho ukuthi yiphi kohamba nayo wena. There's the number, guys. There's somebody else who just said, I saw you on campus. Who said I saw you? Giselle Brothers, I'm guessing. Iketo bad.
Alright, message.
But, hey, Okay, uthi shuthi ihambe neJezal Brothers but ikhetho ba. But again there's another point.
I would sibatshele futhi.
Waza sibele bonela musugropa wena uyabo uyashawa. Oh.
Hayi mina ngiyagoduka manje ngekhaya.
Ungagoduka ngoba babalali sebeyaqala bayasho la. Ukhona othe yena usegesile futhi ugesene with confidence yabona. Uthe okay uyakhuza uqala via ukahle. But again ubongiwe is it Bongiwe here who said I'm losing umlaleli wami lana who said Jezal Brothers yes ukwandile. Kwandile Mbatha uthi Jezal Brothers I'm guessing.
Jezal Brothers.
So yeah. Yes. That's 1 point to Jezal Brothers. Akashongo ukuthi ikhetho bani but it's fine.
Let's see
1 point Jezal.
Uthi number naipi?
Never bro. Inkumbuza kude kakhulu bafethu so nje.
Nangu.
Yeah. Starring.
I want this.
That's starring. Esisemsebenzini kodwa siyantshontsha ukuzovota nje siyavota lana KHEHLELEZI sizovota ka Dr. K Nation sizothi nje Jezal Brothers. Another one to Jezal Brothers.
Why not mlaleli?
Another one to Jezal Brothers.
Help me man. I want to sort out these things man.
What's up there?
Exactly. Ukuthi ipi. Nangu uthi lo Jezal Brothers chosen by Mbali. Wena uhamba na
okay, that's number 3.
Balaleli said they used to be corruption. You know, when we are used to something.
View Kalelan.
No, I'm cool. Ukuthi ngicabangele ukuthi why they want to choose ubani?
But I guess it's they must just guess ukuthi khetho ubani, umuntu uhamba na yipi and I guess ukuthi khetho ubani. But the best noma ngizothi mhlambe lento esiyifuna kakhulu ile ukuthi uhamba na yipi. Yabona? But so sekucherry on top me guess and say le ngiguess ukuthi ikhetho uba.
Yes. 06366571116. Yeah man, but it's simple. And the answer is there. But Tansu Jezal Brothers 0 saying 1,000 second.
Kono nesibindi nje osenda. Ayi kodwa zazi ngayifundile. Kodwa khona useshile futhi wathi Jezal Brothers Mbali. Ubongiwe basi useshile Jezal Brothers uthi uyasola ukuthi mina.
Asizumlaleli ukuthi uthini?
Ave ngikuthanda ama groove mina ngikhetha le yesibili.
Hayi zakhala. Hayi zakhala dokotela. You know, I'm talking about this one. When you are voting like this one.
Yabona nje ngeke uzoyisole mangabe uvotela inhlangano ekwazi ukudlala music. All right. Asizena ngisho
Votela inhlangano yabantu.
Votela inhlangano nje ekwazi ukudlala music. All right.
No. Asivale kungaze kuvela amahlazo 5-0.
Abahlazana. Yes, kodwa sizomtshela ukuthi khona obesebhalile la esethi nje hayibo ubuhle uthe nje usedliwe. Uyasho ke.
Ngaba utshela lokuthini? Utheni?
Ubuhle in fact ubuhle uthi nje usedliwe. Guys, yes, you guys got it right. I chose Jezal Brothers.
Jezal Brothers.
5 points to 0.
Hey.
Angathi ngcono besidlala ibhola mfethu. Ngiyabona nje. Yeah, guys. So it's going down.
Yes, Jezal Brothers.
Likhanda lomuntu esithebeni.
Ngicela ukuthi ke izibhandle esimakukwaraja zamahle lihambile.
Iyambela.
Kwenzeka nje because of you guys.
Listen, we should ask but BK ukuthi asenzele that sound. Yes, the crowd.
Yes.
Sicela crowd ngoba usasinawo but sicela hayibo.
Mphathi siyacela.
Sicela inhloko.
Yo man, Jezal Brothers ngikuthembisa uthando. Chosen by Ndlovukazi uMbali Shasi.
Yes.
Slaughter House ke lesi next week sobe sikhona. Sama group lesi. Yeah.
Sobe sengasadlalwa kahle lekusike.
Sobe ngasadlala. Yena ngoma le ihamba yodwa,
Ongibheke kahle, angiyona into yoganga. Yes.
Nice feature, bro. Let's
take it.
I played the ama features.
Kata simi dilutho thina esivotile. Guys. Okay, I think sahamba sibone ukuthi siniphane. Hey. Nanti baningi bafethu. Ngizoyithola kanjani inhlephulele kanjani. But thank you so much. My team. Guys.
Yazi phela ama-feature vele ahlangana kamnandi kanjani. Makhalene Mons remove how angry you are kahle into le.
Oh God. Engathi interesting kodwa le case.
Shubile le case. Uthini le Ramaphosa kidnapping. Ramaphosa kidnapping, money laundering, bafethu.
Kidnapping who?
Ngibhizi ngefuni umsebenzi wakhe.
Let's take it slow. Yeah, ngaliqedi lonke because phela lisekulekela dlala.
Yeah, nami nento ngifuna ukuyenza.
Ngabe unezinkinga zokushodelwa igazi emzimbeni, ukudla kuhlala eswini kuyabuya, unezinyawo ezivuvukalayo, unephika, umeqo kanye nomzimba omubi. Sitholele istaple sika KHEHLELEZI esingumakho.
Guys.
Asikwenza ube nogazi lasebantwini.
Balalela uma sibaprovoke yazi bayalokhuza.
But guys, I like how you guys are responding here. But also please listen to our radio. Please go online because Leandleana ngemasihleba sodwa phela bengazi iyaboosta ukuthi i-team yami novi iwin. Please. So please go on www.drkonline.co.za and follow on your WhatsApp, guys, on Facebook. People must tune in every Monday to Friday, 3 to 6 p.m. It's the 44 Drive by Umbali and V Umbali K. Aww.
And the feature is still going to spend the time and bathanda.
Yes.
Music,
Yes.
you know?
Yes. Somebody crowd 18.
Yeah.
You said it's a slaughterhouse, right?
Yeah, slaughterhouse eKamalani. Ufuna iphele kube khona ushayiwe, akufuneki iphele ngolo ikhwali.
Indlela engibhimba ngayo ngingabhimba ngaleyo nto leyo. Hayi lokho kuzilahla nje ungatheni.
Bathi kufanele kulula ukulidansela.
Every time you go live and the data yami yaqa. Sorry Bazi. Hi Maratebe. Guys, I'm so sorry. Awangqondile phela mina ukuthi nginishiye ngana data, but kumnandi ukuhlala nani anyways. I just want to leave you out. But if ngingekho live, please go on this link in order for you to be part of the 44 Drive, which is our afternoon show. I'm with Uvi every Mondays to Fridays 3 to 6 p.m. Go on www.drkonline.co.za. Dr. K uhlangene, it's DRKAY.co.za. Rather, it's ngizothini mangithi uhlangene on ukuthi there are no spaces. And then again, what I wanted to say, I forget a lot. I have a lot going on in Kundunwam. Oh, Kune app. You can also go download the app, Android, or you can go and download the app. It's Dr. K. Hi, Sipati. It's Dr. K online. The app is gonna give you perfect outcomes because uzoba updated clearly without having these network problems. And again, please remember to share on your WhatsApp or your Facebook, please guys. This is gonna help promote Minanovi, especially when it comes to this prize esibanayo, you know, for abantu abalalelwe kakhulu. Siyahleba. So yes, please tell a friend, tell your family, tell an ex, please alalele our show. Oh guys, Ukanyontuli has the app. That's so lovely. No, Umampemba hayi. Mampemba is doing the most. Mampemba ugese right. Mampemba ukuthi ubani o shele phiculo. Lawina. Mampemba into zakho ngathi ziyakhanya. Umsamo wakho Mampemba uhamba kahle. So uyashela phana ke ukhanyo uthi I have Dr. K online app. Love you darling for that. Thank you so much.
Siya unpack
corruption balis. Guys, under carpet.
You call it what it's called show unpacking.
Oh.
Kayisele.
Indlela zamnyama. Ushaye go 5-0.
Oh my God, shower.
Yes, that was the Slaughterhouse, guys. And I'm back. We're playing 2 songs for you guys. And yes, team Jalal Brothers. It's a song that we like for the day with Slaughterhouse. And ikete umambaliza sebegesa umegs. So yes, guys. So Kelly, see Nuna, see South Africa a fresh. Yeah, Imbali Nation.
I got that team V. Nangtasa nong fagas lahin.
That's not Catalan, my friends.
That's how it's next week is coming back, and I'm gonna love this one.
Ungabuyi phela ne anger wena. Asifune indoda nama anger issues. Indoda nama anger issues. Udluliwe, ngihlule clean. Itheam yami ibingalwi. Akukho nokuthi kunjani nje ngakushiya ngo 5-0. Clean. Akasafisa ngabe kuyibhola isikose seKaizer Chiefs nePirates kodwa kuyiChiefs sike letho lu5.
22 minutes past 5 isikhathi sakho njengamanje emsakazo lethu Dr. K online radio bathi 445 kama hlelo olungela njalo Monday to Friday with your boy V nobody so it's gonna do nothing but the best of radio. Njengamanje kusele only a few minutes less than an hour before we bounce before we go, but
so sad.
It's been fun, man.
It's been, and I've just complained. Ngithi mina yazi isikhathi sivele sheshe mangabo enjoy kuba nemidlalo ushumpu uvela umemeza ungasalindele. But yes guys, the time is 22 minutes past 5, but we are heading to the top of the hour. We are heading to the hour la khona sesiphuma ngevosho sesithi deda kumina.
Angazi mafuna sibaxwayise noma mhlawumbe sibathipisa abalale ukuthi ukuparticipate ungagcina sekubafaka emakhathini kanjani noma sibayeke.
Hayi asibayeke kancane sifuna abeza ngenhliziyo ezimhlophe.
Amananda coming.
Sifuna abeza ngenhliziyo ezimhlophe.
Only for those who are participant. Only for those who are participant.
I have to say, into ngichaza kakhulu abalaleli bethu futhi they have a lot of respect. Yabona akaze sihlangabezana nomlaleli ophuma elineni. Ophumayo nje emqeni hayi. Hayi sihamba nenye crew bafethu. I have to say Fofo Drive is the one. Ibus nje sigibela ibus eliqokeme kabi. Siyabonga bafethu. Angeke ngabe ngirong mangase ngani-upload for this.
But our feature age gap within the relationships. I think was very
interesting. And thank you so much to Mlaleli, who was very brave to actually share with Yena ubethandana no mama ona 43, right? Yena ona 26. And una intombi. And intombi yakhe found out about this and was very mad yakhala. Ithi nje shoot when ungathandana no mama. Of which that really is the case if ma ke baba. But I have mom is hard to be. My mom. Yeah. But I don't think my man would go for my mom. Guys,
this feature called Slaughterhouse. We heard it for the first time in this show. And yes, it kanje. And you must know when you're dealing with the cucarachas. You're dealing with what?
Yes.
Ngifuna ukuyala njalo. Ngikhuluma nama DJs, ngikhuluma nama artists awenza umculo. Ngikhuluma nababhali beyinkondlo. Yes. I think bona abantu sesebenza nabo kakhulu very close for now in this show. You can submit your music, you can submit your mixtape,
your poetry.
Yes, your poetry. Ukwazi ukuthi izwakala khona la emsakazweni. Yes. And nakho ngifuna ukusho, this is a prime time show. Prime time show is the show engagxili kakhulu kwizinto eyithinta wona ama upcoming artists yonke lento ukuvundulula ama talent and stuff, but Dr. K ikubone kubaleka ukuthi ngempela ama artists iwathathe avukuze iwabeke somewhere. Please guys, do me a favor. Ngicela ukuthi the platform le nihloniphe enithathe serious and inenze izinto njengoba ezinjalo. And two, Dr. K is a very big radio. It's not a small radio, and futhi you must make sure ukuthi uma ngabe usubmita into ozokwazi ukuqualify to meet a standard so that uzokwazi ukuthi umculo wakho uzwakale khona la Dr. K online radio. When you're submitting your music, you must put a profile.
Yes, I was really going to emphasize on the profile. A profile, guys, is very important. Yes. You tell us when you send your file, look, okay, this.
Who you are.
Yes, who am I? And this is a file, a poetry file, or it's a mixtape file. Yes. You understand? And nje profile yourself ngempela ngendlela ezoba yami.
Yes, ngoba lana sinengo saying that you must specify exactly. Kune subjects mangabe uthumela lapha nje elokhuzana nje email. Make sure ukuthi you specify ukuthi poetry, mixtape noma are you submitting your music. So zama ukuthi
sikwazi lapha yana. And then abalaleli abazosho ukuthi pump or dump, you know?
And
dump it or pump it.
Make sure your music is registered so that we don't want to go in court and
if it's a song, yes. It has to be registered.
Make sure your music is registered ukuze singethi nakelanga sifakaze ukuthi I know umculo kwabani wafika na ukuqala. We're not in a position to do that. But when umculo wakho register, you will be safe enough. Kade sizindaba ukuthi abantu bantshutshelana umculo. We don't want to be a part of that. Please man. And okuye mangabe uzothumela phana mixtape kumele ube 30 minutes bese iba ne playlist ingoma oyisebenzisile ukukhanda lapha i-playlist yakho ngendlela right. You know imithetho yokukhanda i-mixtape especially ezodlala emsakazweni. You must understand ukuthi iziphi izinto edinga ukuthi ngempela zimithe uma ngabe uzosubmita umculo wakho emsakazweni. Khumbula ngithe kwena this is a show ongayona eyakhelwe ukuthuthukisa ama-artists, but we are very lucky to have a management efana nale.
Yes.
So please guys,
this is one family that is really willing to help people, willing to help Inja, and willing to help everyone who's saying, listen, I have a talent and can you showcase my talent? So this is the platform, guys. We have really I think pleaded with you guys to feel free to come on board. for drive. Okay? Come on board. You'll never get another chance like this. We are saying send your mixtapes, send your poetry. Then we're gonna have days like on Sidala. In fact, every day must puma with no. I think we're gonna play mixtapes just before we leave for the pump and dump slot, and then we're gonna have every Wednesdays we're gonna have poetries. But now we're not gonna have Wednesdays consecutively. So yes, if you are lucky and you've profiled ifile yakho ngendlela ekuyiyona, you are gonna hear your music, you are gonna hear your mixtape, you are gonna hear ipoem yakho idlala la on our studio. Again, sisakaza bukhoma laphayana emhlanga. This is Dr. K Radio, and we are here to say thumbs up to you, big ups to you, onyakazayo, ongayibekile phansi. We are saying youth, come on board, male or female, come on board, obabayo, onjani, come on board, come on board, guys. Yes, bisiphumile ke laphayana ke sahamba sayonitholela ke okuthakuni shukumisa igazi, which is the slaughterhouse, which is our new feature in the house. We're going to be having that every Thursdays. So yes, thank you so much for making MBALENHLE. Enjoy your game.
You know what?
Enjoy your game.
Enjoy your game. You know what's going to happen right now? We're going to have a 4-4 mix as a Pumangayo, as per 6 o'clock. Maybe you can be featured on that 4-4 mix next week if you do so. Submit your mixtape music submission at Dr. K.co.za. Music submissions at Dr. K online.co.za. Independent music submissions at Dr. K online.co.za. You can submit there because now ukuthi into zakho zibe sharp, zibe mtoro. Ngaze ngajabula wembali.
Yes, I'm also happy. I think ngakujabulisa ngaphezulu kwa beyazi ukushaya indoda kumnandada nidedela esibhaq. Idedela ngesibhaq indoda inabe isale. Yabona nje ikuvuma ingakazi nokubheka isijahe umngomso.
Hayi so bon.
Guys, the time is 5:30 and yes, we are only left with 30 minutes in the house. Ngilibe ngishila ngithi nje sesijahe ukuthi teta kumina. So kuma ngevosho bafethu, you know, abanye benu babheke lapha ya kumbambo wamluku ukuthi nayi siyahlehla kubona. Siyahlehla. Kodwa yasingishiye kanjalo ke sifuna nje ukuhlehla nani ngendlela.
Kwakhaliselesela athi hayi insuku ayifani.
Ayifani bathi isuku kodwa nje wevi ngiyajabula lapha yana mangabe ukuthi esifubeni sakho nje ugezekile ukuthi hayi indoda iyashayeka.
Hayi. You know, that's what I was talking about, man.
Ukuvumele nje ugezeke nje isifubu indoda. Indoda mayishawe bafethu. Nayi yayibona indoda mayishawe.
Yasho into ingilomlodwane yasho. Let's go to our commercial break. Masibuya kuyona sobe singena kwi 4-4 mix lapho khona sobe kugida uThomongo siphendula sidafasa kumnandi.
Thank you. Hayi bandla straight. Yaze yapita ishow yaze ya fast forward. Hayibo, yaze ya fast forward. Honestly, time flies when you're having fun.
Yes.
Mase singalezi insuku la khona ungafisile uma ukhumbula ngithononoza la. Kithi ngisabathe maye ngisafunda.
Lesikwenza ube nogazi balwini. Uthandeke kakhulu nasemsebenzini.
Sanibonani.
Uthuma manje emakhemisi ethu usitholele ukona nokhokho vula wesimonyo. Uguqula impilo yakho. Ngeminye imininingwane sishayele ucingo ku 071 130 7808 noma ku 087 550 1177. Uprof KHEHLELEZI.
Phiweyo. Imake khona ingoma engiyifunayo eno ubani lo
Bathi 4-4 mix ngamanje singena kuyona kunomlaleli ongisondele WhatsApp message uthi cela ngiphe email ku WhatsApp lesikade siqedwe kisho music submissions at Dr. K online.co.za. Ngiphinde music submissions at Dr. K online.co.za. Injalo indaba bafethu. But if 4-4 mix ngamanje sithatha sibeke ku 5 to 6. But for now ehlehlisa amatafula ohlehlisa sofa bethu thatha
ngicela ngisasikubu samanzi
thatha ithawula
ngibawuthanda uthatha isigumba xa samsavovo
ayibo
usondeza mna ungayihluphi nje ungayihluphi ngovi umuntu onomona sithi pre-Friday sondeza umsavovo wena duze no dance now
awubali wehlule Hayi give up.
Okusebenzelayo kusondeze njengamanje ngoba it is going down. It's going down for real.
Give up.
Hayi ke indaba yakho ngoje uhlelo ukubatshela ukuthi umuntu akalethe kumsebenzela egroundini kuzojikwa ngempela njengamanje asifuna ukudlala nawe. It's a football drive, guys, and again I just told you good on a lovely Thursday. We've had such a wonderful time with you. Hope you enjoyed our stay. Hey, hope you enjoyed your stay, because we're going to be here from Monday to Friday every day. That's 3 to 6 p.m. We are giving you this type of shit, and we are giving you this type of music every day. So yes, love you guys and enjoy namanje ke sisakhona.
Cela usheshe. Aw, cela usheshe. Bengisacela usheshe. Hayi, cela usheshe. Hayi, cela usheshe. Hayi. Nakho-ke. Namhlanje sifeature uthela wenomshayi. We featured the book city for mix for the last time, guys. In the future you're gonna have your choice as upcoming DJ Siklala we for mix. Who's unjani? Cela usheshe. Usheshe. Ay
Cela.
What's cela usheshe.
Sifuna ke lento yokucela njalo abafethu.
Siyanika manje noma sifuna usheshe.
Hayi ningale bento isicela la.
Bayacela.
Ngiyacela ave ngicela futhi osithabe nosine ave becela.
Bathe umana nangizocela ngompahla. Hey kholiwe kulezi insuku akudlala umakhelwane.
Sebeyayilanda babona ukuthi ubazibile ngomhla ka31, umhla ka1, umhla ka2. Nangibuye eclinic ngizodlula lapha.
So bangizocela ngompahla.
Sofikile umhla ka2 bafethu, and it's Thursday.
Yo!
Thank you, Kanyo. Guys. Hayi bo ubhalile ngento eveliyenze ngempela. Hawu, lesine yazi abantu bahleli kwimanje. Bahleli nama corona bahleli nayo yonke inhlobo yento ngayicabanga bayasho nje ukuthi ubani. Sekusondele.
Ahlanya ke manje umdatsana. 10K bahlala, Cape Town bahlala manje.